Loving my grey hair. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is all about my hair. As you can see, I have brand new grey hair, and I just want to show you how I got my hair grey, why I dyed it, la di da di da di da. If you're brand new to this channel, why not hit that subscribe button? I do videos on Sundays, Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Oh yeah, I was just waiting for you to hit that subscribe button. Yeah? Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, so as you can see, I've dyed my hair grey. I wanted to go for something completely different. Fucking neighbours are cutting down a tree! Making so much noise. Like, can you just understand that I'm trying to film a YouTube video? So flipping selfish. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to shout. So I wanted to do something new, something different, because I've had like black hair for a very long time. Like when I was younger, like during uni, I had like blonde hair. No, not during uni, probably during college, I had blonde hair. So I wanted to do something completely different. I've been seeing people with grey hair and I've just been loving it. So it's like, why? Because I'm black, I can't have grey hair. Listen, I will be wearing the grey hair as well. Okay, so how did I get this grey hair? So I bought the hair from Hairess, which is like a supplier of the Doll's House in London, which is a salon that I did my hair at. And when I bought it, it was blonde. However, like if you don't buy blonde hair or blonde hair extensions, because obviously this is a weave, this is a wig, this is a lace frontal, I'm not going to dye my own hair because I've done that before and I just literally can't be bothered. So yeah, when I got the hair was already blonde. But if you don't buy the hair blonde, you can always peroxide your hair. I'm going to insert some pictures here of what I used when I re-dyed my frontal to make it even more like an ash blonde grey. So once it's blonde, you want to then go and buy some grey hair dye. I don't know how other people do it, but I just bought hair dye and I bought it from Superdrug. This is the Knight & Wilson Colour Freedom Metallic Glory in silver grey, and this is the colour that you want to get. It's a permanent hair colour with shea butter and argan oil. I'm going to bring some strands from the back so you can really see like how metallic grey it is. But yeah, this is a silver grey, and if the hair is like light blonde, this is what it makes it. It makes it this dark metal blonde colour. So for 3 bundles and a closure, so that's 4 in total hair extensions, I used 8 of these. So I used 2 of these on my hair, bundles each, because I dyed it and then it still had like some blonde bits in between, and then I wanted to dye it again just to ensure that everything was like a gradient colour. I just dyed it again to ensure that some bits were highlighted more than others, just to get that kind of ombre effect which I have going on, if you can see. But yeah, I know other people have used toners and stuff like that, but I was just really in a rush, and I know that like you can use the Weller hair, but you have to download it. You have to buy it from like eBay because I live in London. That's what I did, and really and truly it didn't really kind of damage the hair. Like the hair is still silky smooth apart from the frontal. Like I don't want to talk about the frontal. Really and truly, like I should have just gone to AliExpress and bought hair, but anyway, we're not going to throw some shade out here at the moment. But yeah, that's what I use. If you are Caucasian, I would recommend dyeing your hair and then using this. What I did do actually was go on YouTube and see a lot of girls that have been using this on their natural hair, and it worked. Honestly, I can't recommend it enough because I just think this is such a great product. I know you can use the toners and stuff like that. The reason why I use this is because the first time I used a Jerome Russell, I think it's called, where someone recommended it on YouTube to use, and I used the toner and really and truly the hair was purple. So then I had to use this anyway to kind of like dye down the hair, which was quite embarrassing because I don't want purple hair, like I don't want to be that extreme. But yeah, I would recommend using this on your natural hair or on your bundles, and that's what I used. But yeah, I feel like since I've had this grey hair, people are like, oh my god, that noise is so flipping annoying. Since I've had this hair, people have just like been coming up to me, they've been asking me about it. And yeah, I think I'm going to do another wig, because this obviously is a wig. I'm going to do another wig, or maybe a closure. I think a closure is more suitable for my lifestyle because I'm out every day, and really and truly this frontal life is not for me because I have to keep on doing it. It's really annoying. But if you have any questions about like my grey hair, and I think I'm going to do a tutorial on how I style it, and I think I'm going to do a tutorial on what products I use because this hair, literally, like, this hair will be fine, and then I'll wake up tomorrow and I'll be feeling it. I'll be like, oh my gosh, it's so dry. Like, you have to moisturize it, you have to condition it every week, because it is basically like peroxide hair. Sorry about the noise, it's flipping annoying. If you have any questions, then let me know down below and I'll be happy to answer them. But I absolutely am loving my grey hair. Some people are like, oh, it's an ash blonde, but if you look closely, it's actually got loads of streaks of grey in it. But yeah, I'm just off out. I'm wearing this lovely Misguided dress. If you like this dress, I'll leave the link below. You can also purchase if you want. And I'll leave the link to these dyes down below so you can purchase. They have all different colours. Like, they have rose gold, silver violet, silver steel, silver blonde, silver grey, graphite grey, stone grey and metallic black. I did dye the hair silver blonde first, but it was literally like ice blonde. And I was like, yeah, you gotta remember you're black, so... it's a no from me. But yeah, just a quick video because so many people are asking me about my hair, what dye I use. So that's what I use, guys.